Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and today we will learn about how to use the macros. We have the data which includes name, number, percentage and result, and we need to use the macro, and by using the macro we need to add the heading. So first we go here in the developer option, and by clicking on developer you can see here another option which is record macro. I just click on the record macro, and after clicking a box will appear. Here you can input the name of the macro, and here you need to use the shortcut key. You can insert the shortcut key by your own, and after shortcut key you need to click on OK. Now recording is open. Now you simply need to perform the task like name, and then I need to write the subject name. Basically the macro only use the repetitive task or only capture the repetitive task, and then the percentage, and after the percentage we have the last column which is the result, and after the result we just select the whole row and make it more presentable. This is all the function is recording in the macros, and after making it more presentable, and we can add color and bold, and we add the color as well, and this is how we have completed our macro function. Now after completing the heading we simply need to close the macro. So we again go here in the developer option and stop recording, and this is how we have completed the macro function. Now we need to insert the button for the macro. So we again go here in the developer option, and in the developer you can see here insert function, and here is the button. Now click on the button and insert the button at a suitable place or at a suitable presentable place, and here you need to select the macro which you have recorded and then press OK. After the OK, now this macro will help you to give the heading. And how we can test? We remove the heading, and by deleting or by removing the heading we simply get the heading again by using the macro function. In the macro we simply record the activity which we need to use by macro function. Now you can test as well, and if I delete the whole row from the scratch, and then we simply need to click on the macro, and we will get the heading again. This is what we have recording, or this is what we have recorded in our function. Now again we test the function, and after eliminating the whole row I again click on the button, so it will gives us the heading. This is how we have used the macro function. If you have any query, please write on our comment section.